As the largest of the Canary Islands, Tenerife is known to travelers around the globe as a crown jewel of vacation destinations. Familiar to many are these majestic cliffs towering over the Atlantic Ocean, and nearby, situated to take advantage of the sun's warmth, is one of the great vacation gems of the world. Welcome to the tranquil village of Los Gigantes and the Royal Sun Resort. Breathtaking views of ancient landscape in near-perfect balance with modern amenities is the story of Royal Sun Resort. RCI subscribing members can find themselves lost in comfort and at the same moment become lost in time. Greeting each guest are friendly and outgoing resort personnel, each with the personal goal of providing the best vacation experience possible. Apartment-like accommodations are spacious, adorned with tasteful and inviting decor, and equipped all with convenience and comfort. From the private terrace, enjoy spectacular views of the ocean, the neighboring island of La Gomera, and of course the world-famous Los Gigantes cliffs.
Well, our apartment at Royal Sun is really excellent. It's spacious. The architect here has done a marvelous job. The view is perfect.
Yes.
Okay. It's like in paradise, you know. It's
He's enthusiastic.
Yes, I'm enthusiastic.
The Royal Sun Resort offers a modern exercise room. And while mom and dad enjoy their active time, the little ones have their very own activity area as well. Family-friendly fun plays a big role at Royal Sun Resort. Outside, the Spanish sun casts a warm glow over two perfectly positioned pools, one for grown-ups and one for the kids. The gentle sounds of a cascading waterfall and spectacular scenery set the mood for this outdoor oasis. And to help cool off from all the sensational sun, there's the oasis of Raxus Poolside Bar, providing the perfect refreshments to quench anyone's thirst. And to satisfy the palate, there's Cafe Royal Bistro, serving up plenty of mouth-watering meals any time of the day. And with this picturesque view, who can't help but savor the moment? For a more elegant dining experience, there's Regency Restaurant, where guests can watch gourmet chefs as they create their culinary delights. And yes, it tastes as good as it looks. Guests can also enjoy a wide range of refreshments found at the Imperial Bar and Lounge, the perfect way to cap off the day's activities. Venturing out and about? The area surrounding Royal Sun Resort is rich with things to do and places to see. From beach and surf activities to souvenir shopping, the list of activities is long, and it's all easy to get to.
This Royal Sun is a perfect starting point for various actions, you know. You could go by boat for whale watching. We like to walk along the beach, and here in Royal Sun everything is perfect, you know.
Ancient landscape, serenity, comfort, and relaxation. These are just a few of the qualities guests can find at Royal Sun Resort on the island of Tenerife, where one and all are welcome.
The property, the best thing they have is the terraces in the apartments, because with the views you have and the terraces you have and everything is like amazing. Swimming pools are completely refurbished and there is a waterfall so people can enjoy staying there. Restaurants, we are working in a high standard quality in service and in the food we are serving there. We have the black sandy beach, which is very beautiful, but at the same time it's close to Las Americas, so they can be in nightlife if they like that or something. The staff in Royal Sun is very important for us because they smile all the time and take care of them so clients can feel like they are at home.